What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and I just bought my 4-wheel drive awning for my Ford Ranger. This is an XTM brand and it's 2 meters by 3 meters. So I've already opened the pack, and in the pack there's a bag, and inside the bag you have got the brackets for the roof rack. You've also got the bolts, and you've also got the 2 ropes that goes with the awning. You've got the screw there, and it's an M6 size, and it's also got the 2 pegs so you can secure it on the ground. I've just done a voiceover because the wind was really loud, so I couldn't use the recording. So I bought these as well. It's the eye nut, so I'm gonna put this with these metal frames, and it's gonna go just there, so that way I can also use it as tie downs. So this is about $2.30 for 2 from Bunnings, and I also got the Rhino Rack M6, and this one goes straight into the Vortex racks. So I'm just going to open the box and I'll show you what's inside the box. That's what's inside. Got the XTM right there. Yeah, so I'll just turn it over. That's what it looks like there. So I'm going to place the awning on top of the roof rack first, so that way I can mark where the center is, and to see if I can put it a bit further back so that the front doesn't hang over my front windscreen too much. So I'm using a blue tape so that I can mark where I want to screw on the brackets. So where I've marked it, I'm going to mark it around here so I can bolt it on as well. So I'm gonna put this bolt in, put it in through there, same as this one here, that one there. Do the same for the other side. And then we can put these here. Just make sure it's the right way. I'm going to go this way. And then I'll do the same for the other side. So now you make sure you tighten it. So with these ones, you put them on the second line, like that. And do the same for the other side. So I put in the eye nut, and then I've also put the bolt. So in the future I can use the eye nut to use as tie downs. So I lifted it up and put it through the rack, and I did it all at the same time because it's easier that way. I've tightened the eye nut in, and that'll be used for tie downs, and I've also got the bolt in. So once you've tightened all the bolts, you can put back the center cap for the roof rack and lock it. And there you have it. You have the XTM awning installed. Looks pretty nice. Alright guys, there you have it. I've installed the XTM awning, and just a quick question guys, I can't really decide. Should I have it sticking up or hanging down? I think if it's hanging down, it's a lot closer to where the door is, but I'm not sure if I can open the door and it would hit it or not. But yeah, comment below, let me know if it's better to have it hanging up or hanging down. So I'll just demonstrate on how to open the awning, and I'll show you now. You wanna undo the strap first. Make sure you're holding it while you're taking out the strap. And unroll it. Undo the clip. So do this side. Make sure you're holding it up. After you've done that, grab these. So you grab these two. Yep. Just put it here. That's it. Make sure you put the strap on. This. So after you pull the pole out, make sure you put your strap on. So that's what it looks like, and it's pretty high on a Ford Ranger. And it's quite long, so that's 3 meters. So from here you need to put the rope so that you can secure it on the ground. So yeah, so you get this part here and you tie it around and then secure the rope so that this can be secured properly. Comment below on what you think of this awning, and also let me know what other awnings you like to be reviewed. So I'm gonna put it back now, and we'll see how long it takes me to put it back. So what I normally do is I undo the straps first. Okay. So you do this first pole first,
Alright, so after you've done all the poles and secured it in the back here, you can start folding it. Alright, so you put in the strap after you've done it. Do the middle one first. And the end ones. So you make sure you tuck it all back in before you unzip it. Before you zip it in. So there you have it, the XTM awning, 2 by 3 meters. And when you're doing it, you probably actually need another person to hold the poles. Otherwise, doing it yourself, it's pretty hard. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.